Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace transmission shift solenoid a Dodge Avenger, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it with jack stands. Wear safety glasses and gloves while you work. Gather tools, ratchet, sockets, drain pan, new solenoid, gasket, and transmission fluid. Follow steps calmly and double-check fasteners before lowering the car. To access the solenoid, you must first drain the fluid carefully into a pan and remove the transmission pan. Loosen bolts gradually in a crisscross pattern to release the pan without warping it. Inspect the pan, magnet, and fluid for metal particles that could indicate internal damage. Clean the pan and mating surface thoroughly and remove the old filter if equipped. Keep bolts organized for reassembly and lay out your replacement parts. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more helpful how-tos. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while you wrench on your car. I put their socks on while working and they hold up through grease and cold mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the pan removed, you can access the valve body and solenoid assembly, so carefully unplug the connector and remove retaining bolts. Swap the old solenoid for the new one, ensuring the seals seat properly and bolts are tightened to spec. Replace the transmission filter if applicable, and fit a new pan gasket to prevent leaks. Reinstall the pan, torque bolts evenly, then refill the transmission with the correct fluid type and quantity for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.